Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Round 7, and today is day number 22. Today's sketch is, I don't know who the designer is, but it's got Mackenzie Porla something, scrap, Falmiro, a scrap, I don't know, it must be like not American, I'm guessing, but I don't know if Mackenzie is the designer. But it's a huge mixed media palette with 3 photos on it and a large title down below. Now this one has what looks like words, and I don't know if they're stamped out or if they're written out. I really can't tell just based on the sketch, but I do love all the color to indicate the mixed media. Looks like there's an embellishment cluster here, maybe one down below the title, and maybe one up in here. So you guys know me, I don't really do mixed media, not much of it anyway. So I pulled some things out. I pulled these out. They've been in my kit for a while and I just have not pulled them out to try and use them, so that's what I've done. I have also pulled these stickers back in. I have pulled these stickers back in, and I have pulled both sets of rub-ons in, because I'm thinking maybe I can do some sort of mixed media with the rub-ons that I have left, as well as the stickers. So we'll see. It is a 3 photo sketch, and I did pull 3 photos. I haven't cut them down just yet. I did pull in a combination of papers. This one is from my February kit, and these are from my April 2020 kit. So I'll do something with these to create part of my background, or maybe photo layering. I don't know yet. That's one of the things with this type of sketch. I don't know where it's going to go when I have something that looks total mixed media, because I'm not a mixed media kind of person. I have lots of embellishments around me to pull in should the need arise, and we'll see what I create. Yeah, this one is one of those ones that's tough for me because I'm not a mixed media person, but for those people who are mixed media, they are going to love working with this one. It does look fun, and it does look like something that if I weren't doing this challenge and having a layout to do every single day, then I might consider doing it. And I may put this sketch over to the side and give it a shot when this challenge is done. We'll have to wait and see. Anywho guys, I will be back in just a minute. I'll show you a close-up of the sketch and then be back to show you what I created. Be right back. Okay friends, I'm done with another layout. This one is the one that I don't know who the designer is. Anyway, it's a total mixed media layout, and I kind of went off the rails a little bit. Anywho, so this is the sketch where I started. These are the products that I did not use, and basically everything that I pulled in to use, I didn't use. The chipboard pieces, all 4 of the sticker sheets, I didn't even pull these out, and you'll see why in just a minute. The pattern papers that I pulled, I did not use. I did use the background paper, and I did use this pink scrap cardstock to photomat my photos. I did use these candy dots from Stampin' Up. I used these heart ephemera. They're like enamel, but they're a lot softer. Maybe it's because they're so thin. I did use these flat back pearls and these puffy shapes. I used all the other colors except for red, as well as I used some off the front on this one. This is all I have left of the rub-ons. I have Be Mine and I. So those 2 are going into the trash, and that sheet is I'm considering completely done. The next one, I used this entire sheet with the exception of these, and its sprout is sprouting, bloom into, our little sprout, spring fling, little and our. I'm not going to use those, so I feel like these are going into the trash, and I'm calling these done. And here is the layout that I created, and I'm in love with this layout. I don't say that often because I don't do stuff like this often. I had to tape this down so it wouldn't shift or move around as I was doing all these rub-ons. I took all the rub-ons that I had left and just put them everywhere, and I tried to focus most of the words here, but I did scatter them around because I really didn't have that many images left. So this one is a little cut apart piece or a die cut that I had with my kit that I just pulled it in as my title since it was so stark compared to everything else. And you can see I added all the things. Let me get up close, and I will have close-ups of this layout at the end of the video, so if you are interested in seeing the close-ups, please feel free. Stick around and have a look at those. And if you're interested in seeing any of the other layouts that I have created with this series, I do have a playlist called #30DSCBL7 on my YouTube channel. Plus, Christy will have a link over on her YouTube channel for all the people who put in the #30DSCBL7 on their videos, and it will populate onto that list. Anywho, friends, this is it, and I'm really impressed with how this one turned out. Not necessarily with my skills, because I almost threw it in a little bit ago and said I'm done, but yeah, I love how this turned out. And if you look, compared the layout, the sketch compared to the layout, I think I did okay without really using a true mixed media. So anyway, friends, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.